2, 3, 4. Listen for the tone.
Your 5 inches working now? You bought an ESC?
ESC, yeah. And then flight control PDCA2.
No, no. Just listen to it. When you watch the picture, Call of Duty, every
What's up, Coach?
Jason Bourne movie.
Oh yeah.
I have no military. I have nothing.
Captain Vanover 12-2 in first.
I mean, I don't know any of that stuff. Maybe at least say I don't know any of that.
But he talks like he was an E3 or an E4, and then he talks about how he
Thermoto 19-3 in third.
down. And then he talks
You're
about
talking as if I know what an E3 or an E4 are.
It correlates with the rank. Now, I don't know what the correlation is. I just know
Captain
the lower
Vanover
the number,
18-9 in
the
first.
he badges
I-12 15-9 in fourth.
chewing out the owner of the company and getting away with it.
Thermoto 20 flat in third.
Stories where he does that.
Captain Vanover 11 flat in first.
Commended for it. And gets
I-12 13-5 in fourth.
I gotta say that more applies to civilian than damage control flying in the military.
No,
Captain Vanover 10-9 in first.
yeah, it never serves you well to piss off your ranking officer.
Thermoto 19-9 in second.
Best advice I ever
I-12
got
14
was
flat in second.
don't be the
Captain Vanover 10-6 in first.
Don't be the best. Don't be the worst. No matter what the situation, don't be the worst.
45 seconds left. Captain Vanover 11 flat in first.
So, if you put your head up, it's going to get shot
Thermoto
off.
18-4 in
So
third.
keep your head down, don't whack-a-mole, and you'll keep your job.
I-12 23.2 in second.
We actually had
Captain Vanover 11 flat in first. Seconds
very
left.
high-ranking individual who made it through his entire career, 10 years at the same post. No one knew who he was. Like, they'd be
That
like,
is an
I-12
excellent.
14-5 in second.
like you would never see him
Captain
during
Vanover
regular
12 8 in
always
first.
had a
15 seconds left. Thermoto 24 flat in third.
but no one knew who he was, so no one expected to see him.
Didn't expect to see him. Didn't volunteer
Captain
for
Vanover
stuff.
12 8 in first.
Roll call came out, he was there.
If something was wrong,
Two.
he
1.
wasn't
I-12
playing.
14
Yeah,
8 in
it's,
second.
I don't know how he did it. Like, it was amazing.
Captain Vanover 10-7 in first. Captain Vanover done. Thermoto 23.
Hey, what's the minimum lap time set at?
10.
Make it 9.
What?
Yeah. I didn't do 9. I'm just saying make it 9. Sorry.
So you got 10-7,
10-6 is my fastest. I'm just saying for the next time around, make it 9.
It's 9.